I'm actually at the car wash next to Pizza Hut. I've been sitting here for about 10 minutes. So let's see if they're going to give me that worry-free unassigned. You want to get to this screen right here. You click the little message box. Store has an issue. And then you want to go down. The order has a long wait time. Now, I don't know if it's going to let me do it because it's been acting funny lately. It'll say something like that. And then once they say that, it should say worry-free unassigned. And just like that, I get to get out of this order now without delivering to this customer who don't get it. Because see, the thing is, it's all about making your profit. And I ain't making no profits on this order. I'm also not making no profit sitting here chilling. That is true. Yes, I will agree. That is also true. What's also true is now, thanks to Doordash worry-free unassigned, I don't got to put all the miles on my car. They still preparing it. I don't know. It's going to take 20 minutes. Look, whatever I got to tell them to get up out of this order is what's going to happen. Because all I'm worried about is getting my AR up. I can, be in a better position to get high-paying offers. I could have did earn by time tonight. But I decided, you know what? I've been putting in a lot of work. Let's do earn by offer. Because earn by time, you guaranteed to get the worst of the worst customers. And I've been getting the worst of the worst customers. I think I've done enough as far as that. I need great customers. And there's going to be some bad customers on the earn by offer side too. That is true. But you will probably see less of them, especially when you get over 50%. Woo! This is also a bad order. This order is even worse than the last one. This is absolutely crazy right here. $11.25 for 16 miles. $11.25 for 16 miles, guys. Crazy. They want me to decline this. My acceptance rate go down. They want me to decline this. And then they probably send me a nice offer right after it. Going 1 to 2 miles away. I'll play your little game, Doordash. That's all right. I'm going to accept that one. And now we finna head over to Chick-fil-A. And we finna do the same thing over there. We finna unassign that order. I'm not driving 16 miles away. Why is you even letting customers order from 16 miles away, Doordash? This makes no sense. Absolutely insane. It makes no sense. This man ordered 2 iced teas and a Chick-fil-A sandwich from 16.4 miles away. And Doordash let him do it. Guess what? I ain't even mad at it. I tell you what, I ain't about to lose money on this trip, on this offer. I bet I won't be the loser. Let's head over to Chick-fil-A. Pulling right back up to where we started at. Ain't that some stuff? First order Pizza Hut had to unassign that. Now we right back where we started at the chicken spot where they got that chicken hot. Now I don't even care if they don't give me worry free on this one because ain't no way. Look, ain't no way I'm delivering this one right here. Let me find me a parking spot and go ahead and get comfortable because we got a little weight on us. Alrighty, the time is now. It is 7:50. I waited 1 extra minute on this one. Let's see if Doordash gonna go ahead and bless me with that good old worry-free unassigned. I really would like to not fall below 95. But this is coming in clutch right here. I originally was scheduled for 8 p.m., right? 8 to 10 p.m. Got lucky and got into my dash early. And it did me no good. It's literally 7:58 right now. And all I've done is accepted 2 orders to unassign them. I mean, my acceptance rate went up. Look, I'm not delivering no clown customers 10 plus miles away. It ain't happening, Doordash. You want to send me something reasonable for doing all that earned by time and suffering, delivering to all them clowns? I'd appreciate it. But, look, that's a little bit more better.